Hi everyone, I have a question from Form 3 Mathematics Indices. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure to write down the power. Okay, so nampak kat sini tak ada kuasa kan, nampak macam tak ada kuasa. So when there is no power, you can't see any power like here and here. Okay, that means the power is actually 1. Sebenarnya kuasa dia 1. So ini sebenarnya 2 kuasa 1. This is 8 to the power of 1. This is D to the power of 1. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to understand. Second, bracket means multiplication. Okay, kurungan bermaksud darab. So the 5 outside the bracket you must multiply with every index inside the bracket. Okay, 5 yang dekat luar tu mesti darab dengan setiap index dalam kurungan. So bermakna, okay, kat sini 1 darab 5, jawapan dia 5. So 2 to the power of 5, 2 kuasa 5. Okay, then here 5 times with 4 you get 20. So C kuasa 20. Okay, then here 5 times 5 you get 25. So that's D kuasa 25 over, alright. So this one you just have to rewrite 8 to the power of C 8C to the power of 12 and D. Okay, keep in mind this is to the power of 1, this is to the power of 1. Right now what you can see is this one dia punya base tak sama, right? The base is not the same. So what you can do is you can change the 8. 8 ni kita boleh tukar kepada 2 kuasa 3 because 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 to the power of 3 gives you 8. So now when you rewrite this question, it's going to be 2 to the power of 5, C to the power of 20, D to the power of 25, divide with, bahagi dengan 2 kuasa 3, C kuasa 12 dan D kuasa 1. Okay, so what you can see now is dia punya nombor asas dia dah sama, right? This one also the base is the same. This one also the base is the same. Which one is the base? 2, C and D. So this 2 to the power of 5 and 2 to the power of 3 because it's division. So kalau bahagi kena tolak. So bermakna 2, 5 ni kena tolak dengan 3. Right? The index must minus. So 5 minus with 3. Okay. And then the next base is C. So same thing. You have to take the 20 minus with the 12. So 20 minus 12. Okay, and then after that for the D you have to take 25 and minus 1. So leave the D as the base. So dia punya nombor index 25 tu kena tolak dengan 1. So at the end what do you get here is 2 to the power of 5 minus 3 is 2. C to the power of 20 minus 12 will give you 8. And D to the power of 25 minus 1 will give you 24. This 2 to the power of 2 can be solved. So 2 kuasa 2 jawapan dia 4. So 4 C kuasa 8 D kuasa 24. And this is your final answer. Okay, so hope this was useful. See you in the next one.